Thanks for taking some time to learn more about the Certified Sales Professional course. My name's Marta Nielsen, and I'm one of the program coordinators for the course through Utah State University Extension's remote online initiative. Let me start by telling you a little bit about the goal of this program. We hope to connect you with the tools and training that you need so that you can start a career in remote sales. Now, this course was developed in partnership between the Remote Online Initiative and an Ogden-based company called MarketStar. MarketStar developed the curriculum for the course based on their 30 plus years of industry experience. You might be wondering, is sales right for you? And a lot of people have this question. Uh, Let me reassure you, we're not training people to become telemarketers or used car salesmen. We're really helping you get the skills and tools you need so you can work in business to business sales, tech sales, or outsourced sales. Now, all three of those sales uh, type industries are in the business of solution based sales. So, a business to business salesperson would be selling a product or service on behalf of one company, the company they work for, to another business, not directly to a consumer. Outsourced sales companies sell on behalf of their clients and sell their products and services. And what all three of these have in common is that they're not predatory sales jobs. They're really more about building relationships and trust with clients and customers and helping connect them with solutions to the problems that they may have through the products and services that you sell. Now, this course qualifies you to apply for these three entry-level sales positions: sales development representative, business development representative, and inside sales representative. These titles are pretty industry standard, and these are the jobs that you'd be looking for once you finish the course. Now let's go over a little bit about what you'll learn in the course. We focus on teaching you modern sales techniques, such as the four-step sales process. And we also talk a lot about communication, listening, negotiation, and how to be the best salesperson you can. The format of the course, it is 1 month, and it's about 45 hours over that 1 month period. We have online lessons in Canvas as well as through LinkedIn Learning, which you have access to for the month that you're in the course. We have weekly workshops over Zoom. Those are on Thursday evenings at 6 p.m. And at those workshops, we actually have sales experts come, and you're able to learn from their expertise and learn a little more about what it's like to actually work in a remote sales role. One of our assignments that we do is actually we have you submit a resume and cover letter, and we give you some tips and edits to make it better so that you're ready to go out and apply for jobs after the course. Students also, one of their assignments is to do a 3 to 5 minute sales pitch in our final workshop, which is a great opportunity to practice what you've been learning. And then finally, after you finish the course, you are able to schedule a coaching session with a recruiter specifically from MarketStar to help you network and get ready for applying for jobs and interviewing for sales jobs. So how do you get started? It's pretty simple. You just have to have completed the remote work professional course. And then if you live in Utah, the sales course is free. You can go ahead and apply. If you're outside of Utah, just based on our funding, there is a $50 charge for the sales course. And we have new cohorts starting every month. So I hope you'll join us in the course and enroll today. You just have to go to remoteworkcertificate.com/sales. And I hope to see you in our next cohort.